Hi everyone, welcome back to Cameron's on Camera. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to make a windshield for your side-by-side for less than $100. So make sure to come along. These are what you're going to need for your project. You need windshield straps, which you can get on Amazon, and a 2x4 piece of plexiglass, which is at Lowe's. Together they both cost about $85. First of all, you're going to have to make a template. Using this contour gauge, let's make one. Now that you've got your contour lined, make sure to get a piece of cardboard, set this on it, and trace along it. Okay, if you don't have a contour gauge, take your pencil and your straight edge and measure like this. And then you turn it. Just like that. I decided to do this part inside because it's a little warmer. So now that you got your template here, lay your plexiglass out, put your tape, put blue tape down so you can see your mark. Lay your template on top of your blue tape like so. Take your marker and trace along your template like so. Now that you have your template all made, all that's left to do is to cut it out. I'm going to use a jigsaw to do that. Well, maybe I'll let my husband handle this part. A little more trimming, but overall it's good for our first attempt. So now we got to cut the width. So we made a mark at the top of the bar and the bottom of the bar on both sides. So now we go back in and we use our jigsaw again. So now we gotta go drill our holes for our windshield straps. Marked here and here on both sides. So let's go. Our windshield straps are 2 inches. So we're gonna cut 2 inches right here. So our windshield strap will fit around the bar. Now let me show you how the windshield strap works. Once you put it in like that, you need to take it through the little silver piece, like so, and then we pull it tight. So here we go. My fingers are a little cold, so it might take a minute. There, for the top. Thread that back through there. Make sure the whole piece is in place. Tighten her up. Just like that. And strap it on. So now all we gotta do is put the other two straps on and finish up, and we're ready for adventure. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and think of subscribing. Until next time, see you later.